Hi everyone, this is Cheryl and welcome to my sewing room. I'm going to demonstrate how to make your own unique button. You select the fabric that you want on the button so that you can coordinate it with the other fabrics that you are using on your project. So let's get started. This is a Dritz package of cover buttons with the little button maker right here. This is size 1 1/8 inch buttons, so you get the maker and 3 buttons. On the back of the package is the pattern, so you would cut this out and use this to cut out your fabric. This is the back side of the fabric folded in half. Here's my fold line. Place the pattern, the straight edge of the pattern, on that fold, and then go ahead and trace around the pattern, and then with a pair of scissors cut it out. This next step is not in the instructions on the package. I'm just throwing this in for you because it's going to make the next step much easier. Take a needle and thread and do a basting stitch around the outer edge of the fabric circle. Take this part of the button here, place it inside and center it in there. Hold on to the button and then pull on your thread and it will just pull it right up over. Now they don't have you do it this way in the instructions, and try to get the fabric to be centered over it. Once you have it all centered, then stick it inside of the buttonhole maker and press firmly down, and then pull again on your thread to get this in there. Now cut the end of the thread, take the back of the button and place it on top, and then take the pusher, the opened end goes down over the top. Now you need to press really hard on this. Because my right hand is so weak, I had to use a pair of tweezers to get it out. So if that's an issue with you, I just took the end of my tweezers and I stuck one side of it through the hole, hold down firmly with the other hand, and just popped it out. And let me get it off the tweezers, and there you go. You have a covered button. I like using a variety of buttons on my projects. So if you're interested in seeing how you can use different types of buttons on various projects, click on the link at the very end of this video. It is called Button Embellishments. Now, if you liked this video, click on that old thumbs up button and click on share to share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red button down there in the lower right hand portion of your screen. Don't forget to enter your email address and click on that little bell notification so that you will receive emails about my latest video. I'm Cheryl and I'm so glad you came to my sewing room. I'll see you next time, and don't forget, happy sewing.